Que gusto is Spanish for a couple of things. What a taste and what a pleasure. And that's exactly what people are saying about the restaurant Que Gusto here in downtown Tulsa, where they're serving up South American gourmet foods.
It's one of my favorite spots in the district.
Que Gusto is a quaint and intimate restaurant in downtown, with seating for only a handful of people inside or out. The menu is kept small, easy, and very, very tasty.
Even though the menu is small, it's all just really delicious, and it's filling, and it makes you feel warm when you eat it.
Get breakfast, lunch, or dinner, snacks, and sweets, all of it with Latin flair. The main thing here are the baked empanadas.
So good, so good. I really like the pork empanada and the chicken, and they're all good.
You can choose whatever we want. We have from beef, chicken, pork, vegetarian. We have gluten-free.
Carla Meneses and her husband Fernando own Que Gusto. Originally from Ecuador, they brought with them to Tulsa fantastic old family recipes.
My mom used to have restaurants. I come from a big family. Everybody cooks in my family. So when we moved here, we said, well, Tulsa need empanadas. They don't have it. Yeah.
These are true homemade Ecuadorian empanadas.
Same quality, same recipe, nothing from a can, everything from scratch. That's the way we do it, yeah?
That's right, everything's from scratch and by hand.
We don't have a machine. So, we make the dough, we make the balls, we extend the dough, we fold the empanadas, we put the egg wash on it. So it's a lot of labor, but it's also a lot of love in every empanada.
Also on the menu, an empanada stew, chicken with Latin-style rice and fried sweet plantains, a traditional slow-roasted pork sandwich, and a few salads. The yuca fries and cheesy yuca bread are must-haves.
This is very cheesy, and it's very popular in Ecuador. You find it everywhere, in Colombia and in Brazil.
Carla says quality is a key ingredient.
We have really good quality. We care about what is on the plate.
And customers say they can tell all the food certainly tastes homemade.
Yeah, it does. It does taste like home cooking. I mean, you can tell that there's been a lot of thought put towards it.
Very authentic, it tastes great. We usually get the empanada.
The motto around here, Latin flavor, locally sourced.
All our beef, chicken, pork, milk, cheese, dairy coming from local farmers.
Everything's also environmentally friendly. The plates, bowls, utensils, right down to the biodegradable plastic containers. Every detail of Que Gusto has been thought out because Carla and Fernando are excited to share their heritage with Oklahomans.
I love it. I think that for me, in special, food is being a way to share love, a way to communicate. But I just want people to say, oh, this is Ecuadorian food, this is great, I would like to try more.
In downtown Tulsa, I'm Jason Grubbs for Discover Oklahoma.